Hi everyone, this is the second video of VLOOKUP. So VLOOKUP is also very useful if you want to join two tables. Like this is one table and this is the second table. In the first table I have name and rank of the person, and in the second table I have rank and band of the person. Now I want this band in the first table also. I want to join this. Now one way is you go and check rank of this Amit, and then you go and check what is the band and then manually enter it, and then you go 2 and B, and then you go 9 and what is the 9, then I. One way to do that is this. Second way, very easily you can do it using VLOOKUP. How you will do that? Now you click here, equal to VLOOKUP. Now what is the lookup value? I'll be looking value this table array. This is the table array I'll be looking at. Now column index. Now this column index is the result which you want to add. Like this is the table which I've selected table, and this is the first and this is the second column. So I'll write second. Now this is the approximate match or the exact match. Now in the previous video I have like that was approximate match. Now here I am going with exact match. Either you write exact match which would be false, or you can write 0 also. So both are correct. Now you see 1, and now if you'll go and drag this, you will assume that this will be copied, but this is, you see, this is again the relative one. So this is not the correct result, which is correct rule which is copied. So what you will do, you will select this table, and you will either one way you can do is you can write manually dollar in front of both these, or you can write F, you can click F4. The dollar is there, and now enter. Now you see you can drag and drop. Okay, scroll, and now that's correct. You see 9, the band is I, 2, the band is B. If you write 6, the you see band automatically changed to F. So these table are linked. So this is very useful. The similar thing you can, if this table is in like this sheet, you can do that, or if it is in another sheet, here also, from here also you can do. How you will do that? You say I'm deleting this, and I'll show by capturing from the other table. I have deleted the rule, you see. Now I'm what I'm doing is equal to, I'm writing VLOOKUP. What I'm looking this, comma. Now in spite of selecting the table range here, I have the table range in another sheet here. So I'll go and select this, and then column index. This is the first one. I want the second one. I'll write second, and the table range again the exact match. Then enter. You see A is selected. Correct. Now if you will drag and drop, it will you have to be relative. So you can go and select this and press F4, and then you scroll, press F4, enter, and then you see, now you see this is referring from sheet 3. You can check the rules. Sheet 3, this is the sheet 3, and the dollar one. So you see this is the same result, like 2, 2B, 9, I, 1, A. If I write 10, you see J. So it's selected. One another function I wanted to show you is, like, suppose I want to count how many ranks, like for how many people have got one rank, how many people have got rank 2, so something like that. So for that there is one function given, count if. Now table range, you need to select what is the table range. Now you can select the table range. This is the table range. Here I want to count, and the criteria. Now criteria is I want to count all those people who have rank 2, rank 1, and enter. You see 2 people are there in this table range who has rank 1, this and this. Similarly you can scroll, sorry, you can drag. Now 2 people have second rank, you see 2 and 2. 3 is only 1, 9 is again. If I want to select like 9 is over here only 1, I have changed this to 9. Now you see this is 9 and this is also changed to 1. So similarly there are other methods also. This is the count if. You have sum if, you say if you want to calculate sum based on this condition, then you can apply sum if. Then there is average if. So if you have if you want to calculate the average based on this, that same you can do. So this is very handy tool uh, we can use. So this is the second video of VLOOKUP. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.